Hello all of my awesome viewers, this is Dead Chat and welcome to a how-to tutorial video, folks, or the first part of a how-to tutorial. So this video is more of an update video of what exactly is going to be going on with the how-to tutorial video, and so that you don't freak out, because what I'm about to say, most of you probably will freak out if I didn't inform you about this. So, without further ado, let's go straight into it. So my next how-to tutorial video will be a video of how to live stream using XSplit Broadcast, not XSplit Broadcaster, XSplit Gamecaster. It's XSplit Gamecaster, not XSplit Broadcaster. I'll be showing you how to live stream using XSplit Gamecaster. And in order to do that, I'm going to be doing a test live stream on how you can use XSplit Gamecaster. And because I'm doing this test live stream, I just wanted to alert all of you viewers in case you see a 10-minute live stream and freak out saying 10 minutes. Seriously, this is a 10-minute live stream? Well, that is why. It's because I'm going to be doing a how-to tutorial video, or how-to tutorial video on it. And if you are interested in the how-to tutorial video, I would recommend that you check out that live stream. That sample live stream will either be on tomorrow or Wednesday. I am decide when, but I'll give you further updates on when that's going to be, or you'll see it. But other than that, that's all I came to update you about. Until next time, farewell till we meet again, especially during the second part of the how-to tutorial video of how to live stream using XSplit Gamecaster.